rocking welcome to you and good to see you.
Likewise. Good afternoon everyone. Thank you so much for being here. आपने देखा ना क्या हुआ? Recording की अच्छे से? Thank you so much for being here. And I feel very privileged that I get to be amidst such a phenomenal cast of Avinash Tiwari, Jimmy Shergill and Mr. Rajiv Mehta, and a really prolific director who I've been a fan of him since always, Mr. Neeraj Pandey. Today is so special because सिकंदर का मुकद्दर एक बड़ा रोमांचक सफ़र है. इसमें मिस्ट्री है, थ्रिल है, कॉप्स है, एक्शन है और बहुत ट्विस्ट्स एंड टर्न्स है. आई एम नॉट श्योर इफ यू आर रेडी फॉर इट, बट 29 नवंबर तक वक्त है, तो फट से आप रेडी हो जाओ. In fact, when Neeraj Pandey decided to work with us on this story, after the phenomenal success of Khaki the Bihar chapter, we were so happy that we get to tell this diamond heist thriller together. और थोड़ी सी बात करते हैं हमारे wonderful cast की. जो सिकंदर है, sweet सा, innocent सा, regular सा, जो actually face value पे बिल्कुल आप नहीं ले सकते. उनके नसीब की डोर है जिमी शेरगिल के हाथों में. बड़ा मंझा हुआ खिलाड़ी है. इस सिकंदर का मुकद्दर बस जिमी शेरगिल के हाथों में है. कमिंग टू जिमी सर, who's played a cop whose instinct and मूल वृत्ति से मैं भी नहीं बच पाए. And I'm hoping that for some reason you guys get caught in his मूल वृत्ति, because after that the events are just exciting. Finally, Mr. Rajiv Mehta, who so far had such wonderful comedic roles that he's entertained us with, who will be seen in an absolute never before seen avatar. सिकंदर का मुकद्दर, how do I put this? It's a cat and mouse game. एक तरफ बहुत relatable और दूसरी तरफ बिल्कुल unforgettable. तो इस कहानी की डोर अब आपके हाथ में.
Than anyone else. नहीं, you'll have to wait till the 29th to find out. और उम्मीद है कि मतलब इससे आपको देखते हुए उतना ही मज़ा आएगा जितना हमको इसको बनाते हुए आया. बहुत अच्छी जर्नी रही है with all the talent that is involved. Some of them are on stage right now and we had a fantastic journey on this one and I'm confident that you guys will enjoy it.
Yes, वो कहते हैं सब्र का फल यहाँ पर ब्लॉकबस्टर होने वाला है.
Hope so.
And you know उसका जवाब तो हमें जसविंदर सिंह देंगे on the 29th of November कि कौन actually किसने चुराए ये हीरे. बट नीरज सर, आपकी हर फिल्म में कहानी के साथ साथ कैरेक्टर्स का भी स्पेशल फ्लेवर होता है. एंड मेरा सवाल ये है कि एक हाइस्ट मूवी में एक तरफ एक्साइटमेंट, किसने चोरी की, क्यों चोरी की, चोर को पकड़ा कैसे जाएगा, एंड द लिस्ट इज लॉन्ग. दूसरी तरफ स्टेइंग ट्रू टू द कैरेक्टर्स दैट यू हैव विजुअलाइज्ड एंड कंसीव्ड. कितना मुश्किल या आसान होता है आपके लिए टू मेंटेन दैट बैलेंस?
It's actually my job, so I don't think that it's a challenge or anything of that sort. When I and Vipul were writing this particular script, it just flowed very organically, and that's a good sign. जब script करते हुए आप किसी भी stumbling block को encounter नहीं करते हैं और चीज़ें बहुत आसानी से जो है वो flow में आ जाती हैं, that's a great sign, and that's exactly what happened on सिकंदर का मुकद्दर. And then the only thing that we had to do was cast it right, and I believe that we've cast it just right.
The trailer does definitely say it's picture perfect. So
yeah, thank you.
Ruchika, my questions for you. Now this is the second collaboration with Neeraj sir and Friday Storytellers for Netflix. First one was Khaki, the Bihar chapter, which was yet again a super hit. What makes Netflix and you want to collaborate with storyteller and a filmmaker like Neeraj sir?
I mean, what's not to collaborate with him? I think the one thing that really sets Neeraj sir apart from a lot of wonderful other storytellers is he genuinely knows the pulse of the audience. In his telling and in all his stories, he's so authentic, he's so deeply local, so true to the milieu that it belongs to. And yet, at the same time, in spite of a lot of the heist and the dishonesty, there is a very clear honesty of a storyteller. And when Khaki, the Bihar chapter, had a phenomenal run, we were very keen that when and if Neeraj Saiva chooses to make a direct-to-digital streaming film, we are the one-stop shop, and we're hoping that we can keep finding space to tell the most.
Thank you for giving the best of you. पर इस फिल्म में आप एक अलग अवतार में हैं. फिल्म के दौरान, जो शूटिंग के दौरान आपको कोई यादगार मोमेंट आप शेयर करना चाहेंगे?
For that matter, every scene I enjoyed as an actor. since I was working with Neeraj ji for the first time, and we all know his genre and his style of making. तो मेरे लिए एक सीन था जो अविनाश के साथ था जेल के अंदर. हम दोनों हैं जेल में बैठे हुए हैं और I was just thinking before giving the shot. I asked नीरज जी कि मैं बैठ के करूं ये सीन, इस तरह करूं, इस तरह thought process with incomplete lines or searching for words and all. तो नीरज जी ने मुझे कहा कैसे जरा करके दिखाओ. तो मैंने I just enacted and okay. तो this was the thing and I think बहुत बुरा नहीं किया वो मैंने सीन.
वो हमें बहुत पसंद आया जो भी हमने ट्रेलर में देखा है, और जैसा हम सब कह रहे कब से कि 29 नवंबर तक हमें इंतजार करना पड़ेगा. वी लुक फॉरवर्ड टू इट.
इट्स ए नेल बाइटिंग ड्रामा. आप इस तरह फिल्म नहीं देखोगे, आप इस तरह देखोगे फिल्म.
एज ऑफ द सीट.
So yeah, that's for sure.
Thank you sir, thank you. Now Avinash, my questions for you. Now, you played such diverse characters on screen, और देखा हमने कि जो मेहनत आप करते हैं हर कैरेक्टर के लिए टू स्टैंड आउट ऑन स्क्रीन व्हेन यू परफॉर्मिंग, इस रोल में ढलने के लिए मेंटली काफी प्रिपरेशन लगी होगी इसके लिए. डिड यू गो विद द फ्लो और डिड यू प्रिपेयर अ लॉट? व्हाट वाज द प्रोसेस लाइक?
No, this one especially I felt was more go with the flow. This is the first time I was working with Neeraj sir where he was directing it, and this was something I was really looking forward to get a chance to be on set with him. I think of the limited experience that I have being an actor, I have never met a director who is so quick to take decisions. He's someone who just, he's just on the go. You walk onto set, and by the time you say good morning, good morning, ये shot ये है. It's that, and associate को बोलेंगे कि call, pack up, जब तक हम मुड़ के देखते हैं सर गाड़ी में बैठकर निकल चुके हैं. That's how Neeraj sir is. So when you're on set, you're continuously working. That's a frame of mind. It's a very focused set, and hence for me this one was something just went on with the flow because he just kept giving the insights into how I take this. Also, the beauty is, and you'll see that in the film, there are a lot of long, steady one shots in the film, which makes the whole process very different because you do long shots. If there is any mistake, you do a retake again, and then you keep going on long again and again. I just felt going with